The Heritage Foundation, a prominent conservative think tank in the United States, is taking legal action against the Biden administration to release Prince Harry's U.S. immigration records. This comes after the Duke of Sussex admitted to using illegal drugs in his memoir Spare. The organization is seeking to understand how Prince Harry was allowed to enter the United States after admitting to using drugs as under U.S. law. Such admission typically results in denial of entry. The complaint filed by Heritage lawyers argues that there is immense public interest in learning how Prince Harry answered the question regarding drug use in his visa application. While an admission of drug use does not necessarily result in a lifetime ban from the United States, it can result in being denied a U.S. visa, as in the case of the late British singer Amy Winehouse. The Heritage Foundation's Freedom of Information request made on March 8 of this year was reportedly obstructed by officials, prompting the organization to appeal. The U.S. government has 20 business days to respond to requests made under the Freedom of Information Act, except for unusual circumstances. There's a precedent for the release of immigration documents about public figures, as the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services website contains the files of some celebrities, including the late musicians George Michael and John Lennon, and the mother of U.S. Vice President Kamala Harris. According to Niall Gardner, the director of the Margaret Thatcher Center for Freedom at the think tank, the lawsuit seeks transparency and accountability. Gardner argued that there is a clear public interest in ensuring that Prince Harry did not receive any preferential treatment by the immigration authorities. The Duke of Sussex has formed close relationships with prominent Democratic Party figures, such as former President Barack Obama, since arriving in the United States in 2020. He is also close to major Democratic donors, including Oprah Winfrey and Tyler Perry. These relationships have raised concerns that he may become an unwitting pawn in a highly political game. In conclusion, the Heritage Foundation's legal action against the Biden administration to release Prince Harry's U.S. immigration records is based on the Duke of Sussex's admission to using illegal drugs. While the admission of drug use does not necessarily result in a lifetime ban from the United States, it can result in being denied a U.S. visa. The Heritage Foundation argues that there is a clear public interest in ensuring that Prince Harry did not receive any preferential treatment by the immigration authorities. The lawsuit seeks transparency and accountability, and it remains to be seen how the Biden administration will respond to the request.